Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something for the medicine cabinet. Generally, you don't keep this in a first aid kit, but it's up to you. All right. Now, what I'm talking about is anti-fungal cream. For athlete's foot, ringworm, any type of those little surface fungus things that you can just put the cream on to get rid of whatever it is that's bothering you. There's some really good ones out there. There's some out there that I found don't work so good. I'm not going to name names here, but the one I like, the one that begins with an L. I am going to do that. It's one of my preferred ones. I found that works on just about everything. There is something else that, besides being an antifungal cream, there's more of a liquid one, which is a Sorbine Junior, which works great for athlete's foot. But it tends to burn a bit if you have it or it's starting to crack already. But I guarantee you that also takes care of that really quick as well. All right, so think about it for adding to your prep. You don't have to do it. This is just a suggestion. Think about adding some sort of antifungal creams to your medicine cabinet. All right? And before I take off, I want to remind you, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, skills. Keep adding skills to your repertoire. All right? And I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I have a bunch of emergency preparedness stuff over there as well. And put that right up over here. I'm going to put the link to the Prepping for Beginners up here, and then the Prepping in Private down here. Because you need it. Why?